1993 ते 1998 मजगती काँग्रेस सरकाराच्या कार्यकाळा उपरांत 98त सरकार बदललो. उपरांत आमदार मनोहर पर्रीकारान वीज मंत्री माविना आड घोटाळ्याची कागाळ केल्ली. 2 उद्योगीक युनिटांक रिबेट दिल्ल्यान सरकाराक 4.5 कोटींचे लुकसाण जाले म्हूण आरोप. 1998त क्रायम ब्रांचीन माविना आड FIR केल्लो. 2008त खासा कोर्टान आरोप निश्चित करूंक लायले. ह्या अर्दीक हायकोर्टान आव्हान दिल्ले, पूण हायकोर्टान प्राथमीक दृष्ट्या आरोपात तथ्य आशिल्ल्याचे सांगून आरोप निश्चित करूंक सांगले. हायकोर्टाच्या आदेशाक सुप्रीम कोर्टात आव्हान दिल्ले. मात 2018त सुप्रीम कोर्टान हायकोर्टाची अर्थ सारकी म्हूण सांगून खासा कोर्टाक आरोप निश्चिती आनी चवकशी करपाचो आदेश दिलो. FIR केल्या उपरांत सुमार 27 वर्सांनी माविन गुदिनो सयत हेर 4 आरोपींकूय खासा कोर्टान आरोप मुक्त केले. निकाला उपरांत माविन खोशी.
I am happy that having gone through all this over so many years, I have emerged much stronger. So I want to profusely thank the people who deliberately made this happen.
You said that this is case of political vendetta. This complaint was filed by Manohar Parrikar. Now you are in BJP, but what would you say?
I don't want to take any names, but I only want to, as I said, thank all those who made this happen. And if you are going to impute names, which leader of opposition or who in the opposition will leave a chance when the ruling party itself gives something in their hand, ready-made material? So I will never blame the late Manohar Parrikar.
But in our case, as a chief engineer, whatever procedure he has followed was within the law. This is what we all knew right from the beginning. Documents which were produced on record, the witnesses who were examined by the prosecution, all suggested that he had followed the due process.
90 दिसांचो अपिलाचो काळ सोंप मेरेन माविना सयत सगळ्या आरोपींक 50,000 बॉन्ड भरपाचो आदेश दिला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.